This is the back of the memory card. This is the front of the memory card. Please insert the memory card with its front facing forward into the card slot of the device. Insert the screw, tighten with a wrench. Please plug the wired controller and cameras into the corresponding connection ports of the main unit. After connection, please tighten the interface. Then use the USB test cable to check if the recorder's function is normal. Use a charger or power bank applicable voltage to RA4 power supply during testing. If you find that the motor of the wired controller is vibrating continuously, please check in time whether the camera or memory card is installed properly. Stick the bracket pad to the bracket first. Align the bracket with the bracket hole on the host. Insert the piece into the screw. Insert the screw, tighten with a wrench. Then you can use adhesive tape to stick the host inside the motorcycle. Install the shock-absorbing rubber ring onto the camera. Then install the circular bracket onto it. Place the gasket into the base. Insert the metal sheet into the screw for installation. After fixing the bracket with screws, install the nut. Tighten and secure with a wrench. After installing the camera bracket, you can attach it to the appropriate position on the motorcycle with tape. Tighten the screw onto the motorcycle.